All right, we're solving the one-step equation. 246 equals 106 minus u. If you notice, I placed a blue 1 next to the u so that you can see that it's negative 1u. To isolate the u, we subtract 106 from both sides. You see here in red. All right, we do it to the left side and the right side. We use our calculator and we find out that the difference is 140 is equal to negative 1u. And then finally, we want to divide both sides by negative 1 so that we find out that negative 140 is equal to u. This equation has fractions. It's in purple. 1 6 minus 4 over 3v is equal to negative 1/3. Okay. We multiply each term by the common denominator, which is 6. Okay. The common denominator is 6. So we use our calculator and we multiply 6 times 1 6, 6 times 4 over 3, and 6 times negative 1/3. And we find out that we eliminate the fractions, and now our new equation is in blue. 1 minus 8v equal to negative 2. So now we subtract 1 from each side, okay, to isolate the negative 8v. And then we divide both sides by negative 8v. And we find out that v is equal to positive 3 over 8. Our next equation is in blue. Negative 4 is equal to 3x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, you can see that we multiply both sides by positive 2 here in red so that we can eliminate the fractions. Because 2 over 2 cancels out, okay, we're left with 3x plus 1 on the right side. And then we multiply 2 times negative 4, and we get negative 8. Okay, we want to isolate the 3x. Okay, we want to isolate the 3x, so we do the opposite of what we see, the inverse operation. We subtract 1 from plus 1, that makes 0. Okay, and then we want to subtract 1 from negative 8. We put in our calculator, negative 8 minus 1, and we get negative 9 equals to 3x. Finally, we'll divide both sides by 3, and we find out that negative 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to negative 3.